everyone, Kathy here with Buffalo Check Chicks. Today I have a variety haul of Christmas, and hopefully it's my last one. And then I can get into decorating right after Thanksgiving. I know I'm looking forward to it and to decorate my new hutch. I'm excited. So let me get started with Marshall's. So I found this at Marshall's, and it is Ray Dunn. And I thought it was the cutest. It's Frosty the Snowman mug. Super cute. I don't know if it's part of a collection, but it's Ray Dunn Frosty the Snowman, and that was $16.99. A little pricey, but I haven't seen one like it, so I want to grab that. And then, let me see, that was Marshall's. Okay, and I was looking for deer for my mantle. I'm thinking, I don't think I have any deer. So I went to about 5 different stores looking for deer, and I finally found some at Marshall's. And I think they're so pretty. It's white, but it has like a shiny, like iridescent color, shine to it. So, and that, see that, and it's a good size. And here's $12.99. I got 2 of them, so I want to put one on each side of the mantle. I thought that would look really pretty. And they're heavy. They're not cheesy. I actually ordered some on Amazon, and they were 2 for $25, I think it was. And they came in, and they were so lightweight and plasticky, and they were just really, really bad. So I sent them back. But anyway, I got these 2, and I just think they're really pretty. So, let's see, what else did I find at Marshall's? I think this was not Marshall's. This was from Home Goods, and I have not seen these ever. It is Johanna Parker. And the little shelf sitters with the bendable feet and arms. And this is a Santa one. Look at his cute face. And this one lights up. Isn't he cute? Never seen these before. And it was $9.99. I thought it was a little pricey, but I don't think I'll be getting any more Joanna Parker this year. I think I have enough for now. I have this one, and then there was this one. Look at that face. Super cute. And the legs do the same thing. They bend, and the arms bend. But this one doesn't light up. It's a little shelf sitter. Super cute. And that was $9.99. So, oh, and this is another Joanna Parker. I just love the Santa face. I don't know if it's a little candy dish. It's flat. And that was $9.99. Super cute. All right, now, let's see. I haven't even unwrapped this one yet. Still searching for the Ray Dunn canister with the gingerbread on top. I've been going to Home Goods almost every day trying to find it, and I can't find it. So I found this peppermint canister from Ray Dunn. That was $19.99. I just love the red. It's so pretty, the red and white. Really pretty. A little ribbon on top. I don't really have a lot of red Ray Dunn for Christmas things. So I got that at Home Goods. And then this, kind of a lot in my opinion, but I've never seen one of these before either. And it's a really good size. It's a Ray Dunn sled. thought it was a really good size, and the price, it was $24.99. And the sides are just plain, so yeah, I thought it was pretty. That would look nice on my hutch. All right, what else? Okay, so let me think. I have a couple different things here. Okay, so I ordered this on Amazon. It's just a little gingerbread garland. Super cute. It's not very big, but there is 6 pieces. And it's on the red baker's twine. And they're kind of like a little bit rubbery, so I think it would last pretty good. It's not that hard plastic where it's going to crack. And I can link that below for you guys if you're interested. It was, I think it was 15. Super cute. And then I ordered this sign on Amazon. I can also link that in the description box. It's metal. I'm not sure why there's little holes on each corner, but that's all right. That's gonna go in my hutch too. So I have that, and let me be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so next I have a haul from Goodwill. And if you haven't guessed already, I love the red and white. And this is a heavy, thick glass plate. It's from Holiday. And I got that at Goodwill. I think it was $3.98. And I washed it, and it's really shiny and it's pretty. So I have that. And this red and white canister has this little frosty on the front that says, what does it say? Merry Days. Merry Days, or I can just turn it this way and just have it red and white. So that was at Goodwill for $3.98. And then, I don't know if Daniel's watching from Second Chance Love. He was telling me he's been finding some Raid down at Goodwill. And I says, wow, I've never seen Raid down at Goodwill. Well, guess what? I found Raid down at Goodwill. I was so excited. I'm sure it's a Valentine piece, but that's okay. It's in good shape. Looks brand new. For $1.98. It came from TJ Maxx, originally $7.99. Now it says $2.98. Actually, there's 2 different prices. I'm not even sure what I paid for it. They got 2 prices. I probably paid the $2.98. But it is Raid done. And I was excited to find that at Goodwill. So that's one more thing. And then, oh, I've been wanting to buy a Mrs. Claus. I can't find a Mrs. Claus anywhere. I've seen some online, but they want $50, $60 for Mrs. Claus. So I've seen this one. Now she's a little dated, I guess you'd call it. I don't know. But her face was super cute, so I bought it. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. I thought she had a cute face, so what I want to do is repurpose her. And let me see what I did with the, here it is. I have a small tree skirt that I want to make a dress out of this. And I want to give her a new vest and a new outfit. So I'm thinking that would be super cute. And then of course fix the rest of her, but that would be her dress. It's just like a foam body and a porcelain face. But I thought she was cute for $3. Actually $3.98, but I figured that's not bad, and I can fix her up and she'll be fine. So that's that. Another project to work on. And then I picked this up. This was just, I don't know, a little wreath from Goodwill with some pine cones, and I don't even know how much that was. Let's see. $2.89. I wish they had two of them. But anyway, I picked that up. And then there was this bag of picks. Honestly, I don't even know what, there's just a bunch of picks in here. I haven't even opened it. It looks like boxwood. I think it's boxwood. Maybe they're not picks. Ooh, they're little wreaths. Little candle rings. Wow. It says Merry Christmas. I wasn't even sure what they were. They're stuck together. Okay, so there's one, two, it's 2.5. But that's neat. I can use that for crafting or find something to do with that. So that's pretty cool. That was Goodwill. And then I found this at Goodwill, and I thought it was super cute. It's a picture frame. Isn't it adorable? I love snowmen too. And that was $2.98. And the back comes off. You can put your picture in there. My husband's going to do pictures of us this year for Christmas, and I was going to use that to put our Christmas picture in. Alright, now what else do I have? Is actually, these two things were from Michael's last year when Christmas was over. So they're new, but they're not new. I haven't used them yet, but this is like a little, it almost looks like a gingerbread birdhouse or whatever it is, but super cute. The top is shiny. I don't even know what I paid for it. But that was after Christmas sale last year. I'll go with my gingerbread in the kitchen, and then this tree. I thought that was pretty at the toy shop with Santa and the little girl and the little dog. Super cute, and it's really bright. I put batteries in there. It was really bright. It plays music. It didn't do that the other day. Wow. That's cool. Okay, if you push it that way, it doesn't play music. I learned something new today. Alright, so that's that. And then I want to show you what I've been working on for like the last week. I was working on this, and it is a gingerbread train that I made out of wood blocks and popsicle sticks, amongst other things that I had in my craft room. I improvised. But it's all made from things in my craft room. I had these wood blocks that I used. I glued two together to make the body. I outlined it with some popsicle sticks. I just cut them down to size. This is a block here. I painted it red. These are the pipe cleaners from Hobby Lobby. I put them on the roof. To make the roof, I used popsicle sticks. Glued everything on with wood glue. I bought these. It came in a package from Michael's. And they're ornaments, actually. I bought those from Michael's, and I painted the little snowflakes brown to make them look like gingerbread cookies. And I put some puffy paint on there. And then this is a tube from my craft paper that I cut down. This is Jenga blocks. I put 2 Jenga blocks on each side. This is a little door handle or doorknob that I stuffed in there. This here is actually the top of my wood glue that I turned upside down and painted it, and I added this pipe cleaner on the bottom and the top so I'd have something to hold on to. And this is just a vase filler ball that I stuck in the top. And then this was a piece of wood that I cut down and glued that on. These are those fake ornament candies I got from Hobby Lobby for the wheels. So that's the engine. That's the back. I should have painted underneath, but that's all right. Can't really see it. Oh yeah, and I put some snow in between here with some Mod Podge, and these are the pipe cleaners I used. I just used them as decorations. So these are the little cars that I made. They cute. All made out of wood blocks. This is the back with those other little ornaments. I painted those ones red and white. I painted the little gingerbread guys. I had a package of these. I got a bunch of them, and I painted them and decorated those from Dollar Tree. And I glued those one on each side. You can see one on each side. And I just used those ornaments as the wheels. Of course, they don't move. And then I put the pipe cleaners on the top here, and I glued some fake snow on there. So yeah, super cute. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel out. Bye for now.